In this video, we are going to learn about MySQL's transactional capabilities. Okay. Now we have already learned about this concept transactions. Okay, in some previous video, and even we have executed a transaction. But let's understand this concept even more. Okay, and in this series means the coming three videos will be based on this topic called transaction. So in this video I will just give you an overview. Okay, the just we will understand the concept about of transaction, and in the next video we will be creating a table and inputting some sample data in that table, and in the third video we will be executing the transaction. Okay, now let's understand this term transaction with an analogy. Let's say I'm Kevin. Okay, so I will just describe myself like this. Okay, so I'm Kevin and I want to transfer 1000 rupees. Okay, 1000 rupees to my friend Vatsal. Okay, so here is my friend Vatsal. Okay. Okay, so now I want to transfer this 1000 rupees digitally to him. Okay, so let's say through credit card or debit card or through any phone pay or through UPI. Okay, but I want to transfer him 1000 rupees. Let's say if uh, I transfer him 1000 rupees, but in between while processing an error occurs. Let's say a server error occurs or any error occurs, because of which this 1000 rupees does not get credited to Vatsal. So in such a situation, my 1000 rupees are lost, because that 1000 rupees are not credited to Vatsal, and even I haven't got it back as well. So it is lost somewhere. It can happen. This might happen. Okay, so in order to prevent this, we use the concept of transactions. So basically, this money related stuff all are used. This all concept is majorly used in banks. Okay, because we usually transfer money through debit card and credit card, so they need to implement this concept. So what this concept says is it basically provides us some functionalities. Okay, like we have commit. There is one function commit. Okay, I will just write here COOMIT. Commit means save the changes, means as soon as 1000 rupees gets credited to my friend, just commit it, means save that process. Okay, and once I have committed any transaction, that means I cannot roll it back, means I cannot undo that changes. Second function that it provides is rollback. Rollback means here, just now I explained you one analogy, right? That if 1000 rupees are lost, so it should not be the case, right? Otherwise, no one would go for online payment. So in such a situation, we use rollback. Rollback means if any server error or any error occurs, so in such a situation, that 1000 rupees will be recredited to us. It won't be lost anywhere. Okay, so basically we can implement this concept transaction in order to implement this entire concept. But one more thing, this concept of transaction is just not limited to the banking sector. Don't think that it is used only when we are dealing with money, when we want to credit, debit, or we are dealing with money. No, even in normal situations we can use. Let's say if I have a table and my table is consisting of several rows. Okay, there are some rows of data, and now I have updated some rows. Okay, I have updated some data, but I want to undo that. Okay, I want to roll back that stage, means I want to go back to my previous state. So in such a situation, transactions comes into the picture, means I can roll back in such a situation. Roll back means I'm undoing whatever I have done so far, and commit means I'm saving everything whatever I have done so far. Okay, so this is the entire concept of transaction. Now what we will do is, in the next video we will be creating a table and we will input some sample data inside that table. So in that video, you will understand what I'm actually talking about. And in the third video, we will actually execute a transaction, means we will update some data and we will roll it back. We will even use commit. Okay, so basically we will learn entire concept of transaction. Okay, but this is what the concept of transaction is all about. Okay, whenever we are inserting, updating, deleting anything, we can commit that transaction in the sense, one process, I would say. If I'm, let's say, executing one row of data, that means I'm performing a transaction. So I can commit it. Commit means I can save it. Now I cannot roll back from there. But if I made some mistakes while inserting some data, then even I can roll back. So this is all possible because of transaction. Okay, so first just clear this misconception that transaction is only related to the banking sector. No, it can be used anywhere. Okay, so this is all for today's video.